Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks bigger in Roblox Studio. First, open your project and select the part you want to resize. Navigate to the Home tab in the ribbon bar. There, you'll find the Scale tool. Click on it to activate the scaling handles on your selected part. These handles allow you to easily adjust the block's size. Once the Scale tool is active, you'll see three colored handles appear on your block. The red handles control the size along the x-axis, which is typically width. Green handles adjust the y-axis, affecting height. Finally, the blue handles manage the z-axis, changing the depth of your part. Dragging these handles allows for precise control over each dimension. For more precise control, you can use the Properties window. Select your block and open the Properties panel, usually located on the right side of your screen. Scroll down to find the Size property within the Parts section. Here, you can input exact numerical values for the x, y, and z dimensions, ensuring your block is the perfect size for your build. Here are a few helpful tips for scaling. To scale a part uniformly, hold down the Shift key while dragging any handle. This maintains its proportions. After scaling, you might need to use the Move tool to reposition your block. For complex structures, consider grouping multiple parts before scaling them to maintain their relative sizes effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.